Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you what a CRM like iLevel can do, how it compares to other CRMs, what are the pros and cons. I've kept it sweet and short, so let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. So this is the unbranded demo version that I have to show you all the features Go iLevel has. So let's go one by one. The first one is dashboard. This is where you get like all your metrics. You can build like any CRM, you can build your sales number, whatever you want to monitor, the number of tasks that you have, the people that you have to follow up in your customer journey, any campaign that you're running. So we'll get into it more in the video. You have a one-stop shop to send your text message, your emails, any channels, and even social media. So this is pretty cool to have a consolidated place to send all your messages. It comes built in with calendar features. So like Calendly, where you can send links to people to book meetings with you. You can connect them to your website, all that good stuff. You can build your forms, also connect them to this Calendly type link. Then, like any CRM, you have like your contact management menu. So you can filter. This is really important because there's lots of AI that's packed into this. And one of the things that they do well is the tagging of your audience. Are you getting an audience from a trade show or a webinar or from your website? You can tag them actually and follow them, like nurture them in different ways. And you can automate the entire thing. And I will show you how. But let's see what contacts look like. So this is very standard. So you have all fields. All the fields are customizable. Of course, you want to add whatever is relevant to you. You can have contact-specific automations that you run one time or in a recurrent way. You can track your opportunities. So we'll get into opportunities in a little bit. You can offer them courses. So you can also, this is where you would add, you can create a portal for them to access your courses, access any community that you create. Again, I'll get back into communities in a bit. Here, this is where you can add internal comments, follow-ups, SMS. You can also connect to WhatsApp, this platform. You can add tasks. Hey, I met this person and I need to send him a contract, or I need to do a follow-up. Here you can add your notes. You can also use this app. There's a mobile app for this where you have you can follow contacts details and add your notes there. It's actually easier and faster. You can record a voice and just transcribe the text into it. Any appointments that are coming up with this contact, any documents that you might have shared with that person, internal or external, any payments. You can follow up your payments here. There is also another menu on payments where you have a general view and who this contact is associated with. Are they associated with another contact? Are they associated with the company? Opportunities, again, very standard. This is where you would get your pipeline, whether it's from super cold, where you would market them from awareness, interest, outcome, meeting, are they qualified? Did you send a quote? Are they, was the deal won or not? So depending on what's your industry, you would set up your pipeline like this, and you can add those opportunities. So when you add an opportunity, you have the option to add a contact, set an opportunity value, set the lead, what stage the lead is in the pipeline. You can also add a tag in order for you to know and search all the opportunities intelligently. Then payment, this is a very powerful feature because you know, one of the things that take a lot of time is setting up the contracts, paperwork, sending invoices. You can automate all of that in this platform with a single subscription. Usually all these features in CRMs, it's different things that you're adding. Automation is a different tool. Social media is a different tool. Website is a different tool. Community, you might have a school community. That's a different subscription. So you have all that into one platform. So quickly into payment, you can send invoices, recurring invoices, estimates. You can set up your contracts. This is a big time saver. So if you're doing manual contracts manually, you want to set up templates and set up intelligent variables that you just need to update. So you know every time you have a new business, you just update that particular field instead of updating the entire contract and doing all the paperwork. You can like your orders, subscriptions, have your payment links. You also have a POS system, a point of sale system on the mobile app, by the way. Yeah, this is where if you want to have an e-commerce Shopify like store, you can set it up there and have a store, actually customer facing store that could be created exactly like e-commerce platforms. Your coupons and payment integration. They integrate with about hundreds or so payment gateways from Square, PayPal, Stripe, you name it. I believe there is also possibilities to connect with custom payment gateways. This platform also comes in with voice AI, chatbots that can be built right off the box from this, whether you have a customer service or you want an AI receptionist. They can all be built from here. Social media. So you have a one-stop shop for all your social media. You can post content with one click and schedule them from this menu. So this is a new account, so you don't have I didn't connect any of my social media, but typically you will have the list of your social media and you can select. Maybe you only want to post on LinkedIn and TikTok, or maybe you only want to post on Facebook and Instagram. You can do that. So you can really custom tailor it the way you want it. There's also an AI that can help you to generate the post, but I would rather use other systems and just schedule it, use it here instead of posting manually one by one. Then you can run your marketing campaigns, email campaigns. Sorry, I should say email campaigns. Here, whether it's a drip campaign, whether it's like workflow based, it's list based. You do have a bunch of templates as well that you can reuse. Timers. So when you're registering, you are doing a webinar, you want to have a timer in there. This is typically where you would set it up. You can have if you have a product where you want to give out affiliate links for people to promote your products, you can also set it up here. Manage your Facebook or like ads, manage your ads from here, whether it's Google or Facebook. Then you have automations. So this is just a quick disclaimer, this is not a full-on automation, but within the platform, whatever feature you have, you can literally automate everything within the platform. Let me take an example. You are registering, having people register for a webinar. You can, as soon as they click on the link, or they visit the page, you can trigger automations sending an email. Okay, wait for 3 days. If they did not show up, you can send a follow-up email, a follow-up SMS. So those are the things you can do with workflows. It's literally like if they have a tag, you're creating a new account and they have this tag, you want them to trigger an email. So typically I use it this way. So whenever I go to a meeting, a particular networking event, I add a tag and it will send a welcome, a thank you, a nice to meet you email, and send my scheduling link to have a follow-up conversation. That's saving me a tons of time in just follow-ups. You also have, you can create websites, your funnels right off from here. Your webinar funnels, you can have your store. So this is where you would create your store. You can have your WordPress site. You do need to have hosting for that. Your client portal, where they would have all their offers, anything they have access with you, so they stay in your ecosystem. The forms, surveys, quizzes. I haven't used quizzes. Chat widgets that you can add on your website. Now, something very cool is, so on top of the client portal, you can create your own course and publish it here. You can also create your own community, like a school community, and have it here. For those who don't have a school community, I can show you an example. Let me pause this. Pause is not working. So this is what a school community looks like. So compared to a Facebook group, it keeps you in your ecosystem, and it's really easy to get distracted when you're on a Facebook group or like on social media, because it's built for that, right? It's built for distraction. So if you want them to be focused on your mission and be engaged here, so you can have conversations like you would in a forum, you can add your courses here that they can unlock as they go, and you can also have like paid courses. You can have your events. Maybe you want to have a webinar to connect with your community every Monday, have a Q&A session on Fridays, maybe a web time to time a guest speaker. So you can all build it from here. This is where like you have a points-based system that invites people, it gamifies it. So it invites people to reach out more, to engage more in the community. And they get rewarded for this by unlocking anything that you want to give them as they move along in the journey with you. So let's get back to go high level. So this is where you would manage your storage. You can manage your reputation as well from here. So as on Google profiles, on your reviews, you can manage all that, get your reviews, all that from here. Your Google Business Profile, you can manage everything from here. On top of the dashboard, you can also generate some custom reports, whether it's like for your business, your sales, invoices, anything logistic related. You can manage your inventory as well. You do have also a marketplace where you can actually connect multiple apps to your iLevel. I don't know how many they have, but there's tons in case anything would be missing here. You also have the possibility to have private integrations if your app, the other app, you want to connect with it as an API type connection. But again, that would be available on the higher paid plans. But right off the bat, everything I just mentioned right now is included. All right, that closes the demo, and I hope this was valuable. And if you ever want to consider it, I'll drop a link as well with my email or social media post. I'm not sure where I'm going to post this yet. And I'll also drop my affiliate link. If you be kind enough, I get a small kickback. And the third option is also I can implement this for you. You can go and learn it by yourself, or you can leverage someone like me to come and set it up for you. With that being said, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you around.